Such a beautiful pink flower. What is it?
This is the lily flower. You know lily comes with lots of shades and shapes. It symbolizes simplicity, happiness and purity.
Can you tell me more about the flower?
Yes, the plant blooms like once every month or so. First you can see a single green bud coming from the plant. This green bud opens into 2 to 6 smaller buds. Then the smaller buds bloom for 1 to 3 days. Then the flowers wither away.
Which all colors do the flowers come in?
The flowers come in pink, red, white, purple and yellow. Lily is a flower that grows from a bulb.
Bulb? You mean light bulb? How can we get a plant out of a light bulb?
It is not a light bulb. Bulb is a modified stem that is the resting stage of certain monocotyledonous seed plants. A bulb consists of a large, usually globe-shaped, underground bud with fleshy overlapping leaves arising from a stalked stem.
Which species of lily is this?
It is a variety of regal trumpet lily. Did you know there are hundreds of species of lily? In many cultures, lily symbolizes many things.
What all does lily symbolize?
The Chinese believe they bring good luck. In the Assyrian civilization, they were considered to be a holy flower. The Greeks associate lily with motherhood. The Christians believe lily flower represents innocence.
I like the information you just shared.
Make sure you smash that subscribe button and also the like button.